Kung naghahanap ka ng mga schools na nag-o-offer ng ETF sa Ilocos Region or Region 1, perfect tong video para sa'yo. Kasi dito malalaman mo kung ano-ano yung mga schools na nag-o-offer ng ETF sa Ilocos Region or Region 1 at kung ano-ano rin yung mga courses na in-offer nila. So sa dulo ng video na to, bibigay ako sa'yo ng quick 3 tips bago ka mag-apply sa ETF. Kaya make sure patapusin mo tong video na to. Take note din guys na yung mga i-share kong information sa video na to ay based sa official deputized school list ng Commission on Higher Education. Pero bago tayo magsimula, alamin muna natin kung ano-ano yung mga lugar or probinsya na kabilang sa Ilocos Region or Region 1. So meron tayong 4 na probinsya na kabilang sa Region 1 or Ilocos Region. So ito ay ang mga sumusunod: Pangasinan, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, at La Union. So kung ikaw ay nakatira or malapit sa mga lugar na to, perfect tong video para sa'yo. So dito sa Ilocos Region or Region 1, merong 13 schools na nag-o-offer ng ETF. And the number 1 school is the Don Mariano Marcos State University. At ito ay located sa La Union. And the courses offered are Bachelor of Elementary Education, Bachelor of Early Childhood Education, Bachelor of Physical Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education, majors in Filipino, English, Science, Social Studies, and Mathematics, Bachelor of Technical Vocational Teacher Education, majors in Automotive Technology, Beauty Care and Wellness, Drafting Technology, Electrical Technology, Electronics Technology, Food and Service Management, Garments, Fashion and Design. Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, majors in Home Economics, Industrial Arts, Information and Communication Technology. Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology, majors in Electrical Technology, Electronics Technology, Automotive Technology, Machine Shop Technology, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Technology, Drafting Technology, Food Trades, and Cosmetology. Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, majors in Animal Science, Soils, Plant Protection or Plant Pathology, Crop Science, Horticulture, Agronomy. Number 2 is the Colegio de Dagupan or currently known as Universidad de Dagupan, na located sa Dagupan City, Pangasinan. And the courses offered are Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Bachelor of Secondary Education, Bachelor of Elementary Education, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. Number 3 school is the Divine Road College of Lawag. And the courses offered are Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Science in Education, Bachelor of Science in Commerce, and Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering. Number 4 is the Lorma Colleges, na located sa MacArthur Highway, San Fernando City, La Union. At ang only course na ino-offer nila ay ang Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Number 5, Lyceum Northwestern University, na located sa Dagupan City, Pangasinan. And the courses offered are Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Science in Commerce. Number 6 is the Mariano Marcos State University. Ito ay located sa Batac City, Ilocos Norte. And the courses offered are Bachelor of Science in Biology, Bachelor of Arts in English Language, Bachelor of Science in Development Communication, Bachelor of Science in Environmental Science, Bachelor of Science in Marine Biology, Bachelor in Automotive Technology, Bachelor of Science in Economics, Bachelor of Industrial Technology, majors in Architectural Drafting Technology, Construction Technology, Computer Technology, Electronics Technology, Electrical Technology, Culinary Technology, Apparel and Fashion Technology. Number 7 is the Northwestern University, and the only course na ino-offer nila ay the Bachelor of Science Science in Criminology. Number 8, Pangasinan State University na located sa Asingan, Pangasinan. And the courses offered are Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in General Enhanced Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Science, English, and Mathematics, Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education, Bachelor of Industrial Technology, majors in Automotive Technology, Electrical Technology, Electronics Technology, Food Service Management, and Mechanical Technology. Number 9 is the Pan-Pacific University na located sa Urdaneta City, Pangasinan. And the courses offered are Bachelor of Elementary Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education, and Bachelor of Science in Criminology. Number 10, University of Luzon na located sa Pangasinan. And the only course that they are offering is the Bachelor of Science in Criminology. Number 11 is the University of Northern Philippines. And the courses offered are Bachelor of Science in Criminology, Bachelor of Science in Nursing, Bachelor of Science in Fine Arts, Bachelor of Science in Social Work, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, majors in Human Resource Development Management, and Financial Management. Number 12, University of Pangasinan Incorporated, and the courses offered are Bachelor of Science in Education, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Commerce, Bachelor of Science in Nursing, and Bachelor of Arts. And the number 13 school is the St. Louis College na located sa San Fernando City, La Union. And the courses offered are Bachelor of Science in Geodetic Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Architecture, Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, and Bachelor of Science in Secretarial Administration. So ayun guys, yung 13 schools na nag-offer ng ETIAP sa Region 1 or Ilocos Region. But bigyan ko lang kayo ng tip guys na ang pinaka-active na nag-offer ng ETIAP sa lahat ng schools na nabanggit ko ay ang Pangasinan State University na located sa Asingan, Pangasinan. The second one is the Don Mariano Marcos State University and the Mariano Marcos State University. So it's up to you kung saang mga schools mo gustong i-try mag-apply. But as what I have said, the most active na nag-offer ng ETIAP sa Ilocos Region or Region 1 is sa Pangasinan State University, which is located sa Asingan Campus. Ayun guys. Though halos education course yung in-offer nila, but they are now applying sa CHED na sana ma-approve yung Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. But until now, hindi pa rin na-approve ng CHED. So still waiting pa din. So most of the courses na ino-offer ng Pangasinan State University is education course. Tulad nga ng nabanggit ko kanina. And guys, for your information lang din, kasi hindi nasama sa list kasi parang nasa iisang ano na lang sila eh. Yung sa CHED, listahan ng CHED, ang nakalista lang doon is Pangasinan State University. Walang naka-specify kung anong branch like Asingan, Bayambang, Lingayen. Kasi ang Pangasinan State University guys, merong, if I'm not mistaken, merong 6 campuses sa Pangasinan. So, ang nag-offer ng ETIAP doon is ang Asingan Campus, Bayambang Campus, and Lingayen Campus. So, halos same lang yung mga offered courses nila. Ang way of application sa Pangasinan State University ay kailangan mong i-print lahat ng documents mo, lahat ng employment records, lahat na credentials mo, for example, TOR, diploma mo. Ayan guys, kailangan mong i-print lahat yon, mga certificates, trainings, employment records, and so on. Lahat ng documents mo guys, no need to be notarized, hindi na kailangan guys. Basta i-print mo lahat ng hard copies and ipapadala mo yan sa Asingan Campus na nakapangalan sa focal person nila, which is si Ma'am Annalyn Diola. Siya po ang focal person ng Pangasinan State University Asingan Campus. I-address mo po yun sa kanya and pag na-receive na niya, saka po yun i-evaluate ng panel kung papasa ka ba or hindi. Meron siyang Facebook which is Aying Diola. So, message mo na lang siya. Message mo siya sa Facebook Messenger para ma-entertain ka niya. Kasi, ano guys, each campuses, merong mga focal person na nakatalaga kung saan ka mag-i-inquire, kung saan ka magpapasa ng mga documents mo. Siya din yung mag-aasikaso sa'yo from application hanggang graduation. Ganyan siya guys. And the quick 3 tips, ayan guys, before ko makalimutan, the quick 3 tips bago kayo mag-apply, dapat may at least 5 related work experience kayo. Okay? Meaning na related work experience, kailangan nasa isang field lang. For example, nasa teaching field ka. Dapat meron kang at least 5 years minimum of experience sa teaching field. Ayan, para ma-qualify ka sa edu course. For example, like that. And for example, nasa food industry ka. For example, sa McDo or Jollibee. Ayan, service crew ka doon. Pwede kang ma-qualify sa Bachelor of Industrial Technology major in Food Service Management. Or di kaya naman BSBA, major in management. Ayan, depende sa evaluation or assessment ng panels. Pangalawa is kailangan mong ihanda ang certificates, trainings, and employment records. Okay guys? And then the last one, ang piliin mong course is yung align sa work experience mo para mas mabilis ang assessment or evaluation ng panel. Okay? Huwag mong ipipilit yung hindi pwede. Kasi may mga applicants na pinipilit nila, oh, ito yung gusto kong course. Gusto ko na mag-nursing. Gusto kong mag-criminology, yung experience nila nasa food industry pala sila, bakit pinipilit mo? Kung gusto mo palang ipilit yung gusto mong course, di dun ka sa traditional way of schooling. Pasok ka, 4 years kang papasok. Ayan. Dito kasi sa ETIAP, ang kinikredit dito yung work experience mo. So, kung ipipilit mo yung gusto mo, dun ka pumasok sa, sa regular program na papasok ka ng first year, second year, third year, and fourth year bago ka mag-graduate. Dito kasi sa ETIAP, nasa 6 months to 1 year lang graduate ka na. Ayan. Kinikredit nila dito yung work experience mo. Okay? Yun lang guys, yung 3 tips ko sa inyo. So, ayun guys, kung nakatulong tong video na to, please naman, i-comment nyo ETIAP para gumawa pa ako ng more videos about dito sa ETIAP. And please like, subscribe ka na din. Like, comment, share mo na din sa mga friends mo itong video ko. And wag mong kakalimutang mag-subscribe or click the notification bell para kapag may bago akong upload, ma-update ka. Okay, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Thank you. Goodbye.